Hey guys, the robot's finally done, so major things to keep in mind is that it has to be plugged in with this power cable, and then that feeds into the back here, so make sure that all the ports are connected all right. Currently I have a mouse hooked up to this top USB, but it might be easier to reach if you used a wireless mouse. The perceptual camera is plugged into the front here, and then to turn it on we want to reach into the upper right hand corner and turn on, there's a little power switch right under this finger. So once we turn it on, the robot face should respond because now the Arduino is getting power, and then the face lights up. The file does have audio, but this Bluetooth speaker that I got cuts out all the time, so if you want to have reliable Bluetooth, it might be better to get a better speaker, and then just connect it to this computer, and then it'll have a voice as well as an animating face. So what we want is to go onto the desktop here, and this app is going to be the default that we're going to click on. So double click and that'll start the program. The robot's face is going to track us, and if the tracking seems off, it probably means that the camera's off. So if we move the camera around, then obviously it changes where it thinks that my face is. There are a number of different facial expressions that can be triggered, but I kept the ones that were the most reliable in, and it's not always entirely reliable. The ones it should respond to are wink, and we'll give that animation in just where it blushes. Smile, where it'll smile back at you. Surprise, where you open your mouth and raise your eyebrows. And then it gets scared. Looks around. I haven't been able to get Death eyebrows down. I haven't been able to get tongue out working, but that should go. Yeah, that one's just not responding. I might have commented out in the code, and then kiss, in which case it gets all lovey-eyed. I've noticed that some runs of it, the emotions track really well. Like this is a really good session, whereas sometimes it doesn't track very well, so you might want to just try restarting the program if it's not doing very good. And then to close the program, just click the screen, and it'll exit. And then it'll go back to the desktop.